I'm going to show you what it should look like, your chain with the pins attached to it with the seed beads after you've completed all 7. So here it is. You have one link here which is empty, and then the second link has a pin on it, and then I've skipped a link, and then I've got the next pin, and I've got 7 pins across on the chain. So the next stage means that we will have to attach this chain to the earring component. Okay, in order to do that we need 2 very small jump rings. Take the end link of the chain, here it is. Okay, we hold the jump ring with a pair of pliers, and then we simply slip the chain onto the jump ring, and then once we've done that, slip the jump ring through the hole. You see we've got the 3 holes here, so make sure it's the bottom, on the bottom of the earring, or either the left or the far right of the earring piece. Okay, and then we need 2 pairs of pliers in order to close the jump ring. We wiggle it back and forth until it's closed, and we do the same thing again on the other side. Okay, I'm slipping the jump ring through the hole, closing it again with 2 pairs of pliers, like so. Okay, now it's starting to look more like an earring. For the third piece, I've already taken my 3 beads. This time I decided to use an Austrian crystal in the middle, just to give it more of a focal effect. I've already bent the pin over just to start off the loop, and then you slip it in through the middle loop, grasp the pin, and then with your second pair of pliers wrap it around and make your wrapped loop. Straighten out the pin so it falls, so it's going to fall nicely. You don't want the loop to be bent or anything. And there we have it in the middle.